Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best big and tall camping chair is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for anyone who enjoys the great outdoors but needs a little extra support and comfort, ensuring that your outdoor adventures aren't cut short by discomfort or a chair that just can't handle your size. Imagine relaxing by the campfire, watching the sunset, or enjoying a picnic without the worry of whether your seating will hold up or if you'll be cramped and uncomfortable. This chair is designed to provide a spacious and sturdy sanctuary wherever your travels take you, making it a game changer for larger individuals seeking to fully embrace the camping experience. Number 5. Coleman Portable Camping Chair with Cooler. Never be far from a cold drink with this innovative chair. Its built-in cooler keeps your beverages perfectly chilled, ready whenever you are. Experience ultimate relaxation with a fully cushioned seat and backrest. Designed for your comfort, it provides optimal support for extended periods. Keep your essentials close at hand. It features a handy side pocket and a mesh cup holder, perfect for storing your phone, keys, or a drink. Enjoy hassle-free setup and takedown. Its collapsible design makes it incredibly easy to store and carry, wherever your adventures take you. Relax in generous space with a wide seat and comfortable sitting height. It's designed to accommodate you perfectly for any outdoor activity. Whether camping, tailgating, or enjoying your patio, this chair is your ideal companion. It's made for durability and convenience. What we like. This chair comes with an integrated cooler, perfect for keeping your drinks chilled. It also offers a fully cushioned seat and back for maximum comfort. If you're looking for a chair that keeps your beverages close and provides plush seating, this is a fantastic choice for tailgating or relaxing by the campfire. What people say. This chair is very sturdy and comfortable, perfect for camping or backyard use. The wide seat and high back provide excellent support, even for larger individuals. It folds up easily and comes with a convenient carrying bag for transport. Number 4. Kijaro Dual Lock Portable Camping Chair. Experience superior stability with our unique locking feature. It ensures your chair stays put, allowing you to fully relax and enjoy the outdoors. When it's time to pack up, the locks disengage quickly for easy transport. Take comfort with you wherever your adventures lead. Relax in comfort with no-sag seating and a breathable mesh back. Crafted from durable diamond ripstop polyester, it's built for lasting use. Perfect for tailgating, camping, or cheering on your favorite team. This portable chair provides a comfortable seating experience wherever you are. Designed for adults who love the outdoors, it boasts a heavy-duty construction with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. Enjoy your activities with confidence. Stay organized with 2 cup holders and an organizer featuring zip and mesh pockets. A carry strap and bag are attached for ultimate convenience. What we like. The unique dual lock feature provides exceptional stability when open and easy closure for transport. Its no-sag seating ensures comfort, and the organizer pockets keep your essentials handy. If you prioritize a secure, stable seat that's also comfortable and organized, this chair is ideal for outdoor events and camping trips. What people say. Nice and wide, comfortable on the legs, back, arms. They are also super sturdy and relatively easy to fold and carry or stash in the car, although a smidge heavy. This chair sits firmly, yet comfortable. The rigid frame and durable fabric is a notable step up from cheaper chairs. My wife has hip and back pain, she doesn't experience discomfort when sitting in this one. I love how much room I have in the chairs. I love the dual sizes of the cup holders and the little storage pack. They are a little tall, but for what I'm using them for on my patio, they're perfect, because my neck can rest back. My boyfriend likes them because he's bigger and taller and they're comfortable for him. I love the push lock. They close easily and open easily. Nice and durable. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker. Introducing the Kickback Rocker, designed for ultimate outdoor relaxation. Its low-profile design and convenient carry strap make it easy to take anywhere your adventures lead. Enjoy every moment, whether at a game or a backyard barbecue. This chair features a built-in beverage holder and a secure phone pocket for your convenience. Experience smooth rocking on any surface thanks to our patented spring-action rocking technology. The durable steel frame and breathable mesh back ensure comfort and longevity. Setting up is a breeze, simply push the backrest and armrests apart. Packing it away is just as quick, allowing you more time to relax and less time fussing with gear. With a sturdy steel frame supporting up to 250 pounds and a lightweight design, it's built for durability. Enjoy the outdoors without compromise. When folded, it's incredibly compact and easy to store or transport. Take comfortable rocking wherever you go. What we like. Experience a gentle rocking motion on any terrain thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology. It includes a convenient beverage holder and a secure phone pocket. If you love the idea of a portable rocking chair for relaxing at sporting events, campsites, or your backyard, this is the one for you. What people say. The hubby has a tighter fit, didn't realize it's only rated for 250 pounds until after I made the purchase, but says he's still quite comfortable. We really like the strap, and the clip to keep the chair folded while carrying it is sturdy. The construction of these rockers is top-notch, and it's evident that they are built to last. The sturdy frame can easily support my weight without any concerns, and the fabric is both durable and comfortable. Number 2. Alpha Camp Heavy Duty Camping Chair 500 pounds. Introducing a camping chair designed for ultimate stability and comfort. Its heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced bracing can support up to 500 pounds, ensuring it won't collapse even under heavy use. Experience unparalleled comfort with its extra-wide seating and fully padded backrest. This oversized design provides a relaxing, sofa-like feel, perfect for larger individuals. Keep your refreshments chilled and essentials close at hand. It features a built-in cooler bag, a spacious cup holder, and a convenient side pocket for your phone or snacks. Set up and pack away in seconds with its simple foldable design. It comes with a durable carry bag, making it easy to transport wherever your adventures take you. Crafted from high-grade, tear-resistant Oxford fabric, this chair is built to last. It's the perfect, versatile seating solution for camping, fishing, tailgating, or simply relaxing outdoors. What we like. This chair boasts an impressive 500 pounds weight capacity and extra-wide seating, designed specifically for big and tall individuals. It also features an integrated cooler bag to keep drinks cold. If you need a robust, spacious, and comfortable seating solution that can handle significant weight, this is your go-to for camping, fishing, or beach trips. What people say. Big and comfortable. Sturdy with cup holder and a storage pouch. Very sturdy. Should be great in any outdoor situation. Good storage options for cooled goods, phones or books. I am a big guy at 6 feet 1 inch and 207 pounds. I fit really well in this chair. It is a good height for my legs and very comfy to sit in. Other members in our family are tall like me and they love the chair as well. Number 1. KingCamp Padded Folding Director's Chairs, 2-pack. Introducing the KingCamp Director's Camping Chairs, your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. This set includes 2 versatile chairs designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. Experience superior comfort with our padded design. The double-layer waterproof padding on the armrests, backrests, and seats ensures you can relax for hours. These chairs are built with a durable alloy steel frame and reinforced bars, offering exceptional stability. Each one supports up to 400 pounds, ensuring reliable performance. Enjoy the convenience of a built-in side table with a cup holder and a removable storage pocket. Keep your drinks and essentials close at hand. When it's time to pack up, they fold compactly for easy transport and storage. The built-in carry handle makes taking them anywhere a breeze. Whether you're tailgating, camping, fishing, or enjoying sports events, these chairs are the ideal choice for comfortable outdoor seating. What we like. This offering comes as a convenient 2-pack, providing great value. Each chair features double-layer padded seats and backrests for superior comfort, along with a built-in side table and cup holder. If you're shopping for a couple or need extra seating for guests, and appreciate the convenience of a side table, this set is perfect for picnics and outdoor gatherings. What people say. This will not be a problem with the KingCamp Padded Outdoor Folding Chair. Not only will it bear weight such as the kind I carry around with me thanks to all the pizza and burgers I love eating, but the material is thick and wonderful. The frame is great. The side table is a great bonus. And the side pockets are a wonderful addition. They are really sturdy, for my considerable butt, haha, and not bad to carry. They have handles sewn right on them so when you fold them up, you carry them by the handle. My husband is in love with the folding tray table that is attached. Very nice so far. I absolutely love the design of these chairs. Unlike the usual design of a foldable chair that seems to sink in the middle and after sitting in them for a few hours, hurts your back. These do not. The seat doesn't sink and the back part supports really well. These are so comfortable even after sitting in them for hours. Absolutely love them. Very thick strong material and very well made. I will purchase more. Oh, and love the handy tray on the side and pouch to store phone and snacks for a little league game, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.